Hey guys, so in this video today I wanted to show you how I clean my Alex and Ani bracelets because I feel like I looked so long and so hard for a solution on how to clean these bracelets and I couldn't find one. So I finally figured it out. After years and years of owning these lovely beautiful bracelets, I finally figured out how to clean them, right? And that's kind of important, right? Because we want to keep our jewelry nice and clean. I mean, before I used to just use soap and water, and I did see this one video of this lady cleaning them with ketchup, but I felt like that's what was probably making them break, because the ketchup was a little bit too, it would clean them, but I feel like it was a little bit too abrasive. So what I have here are some cotton balls, this non-abrasive cleaner called Bar Keeper's Friend. You can just get this at Target or Amazon. I got mine on Amazon. And it's a soft cleaner, so it's not so abrasive. And basically what you do is you take, so, and I mean, I have a lot of them, so this is going to take me a little while, and I'm probably just going to fast forward after I feel like you guys get the gist. So basically, and then I just have like a bowl of water. So just take this, and you pour a little bit on here. Just a tad, I poured way too much. And then you just take your bracelet, and you just go like this to get all the tarnish off. And this is something you gotta work kind of fast, because you don't want this cleaner to sit on your bracelet for too long. So you do have to work kind of fast. But it gets all the dirt and grime and tarnish right off. So you see, it's all coming off on the cotton ball. It's all, I don't know if you guys can see. It's all, you see all that gross stuff? It's all coming off on it. I'll just make them nice and shiny again. You just take it and do little charms on the bottom. And on the tops of them, obviously. And then you just dip it in the water. And that's all I do. And set them out to dry. And you can already see the difference. I mean, come on. This is the new clean one. And this is the not so clean one. You can really tell the difference between the two already. Look at all the tarnish on that one. Why can't I focus? Alright. Look at all the tarnish on that one. Look at how clean this one is. So yeah, I mean, it takes a little bit of time, but it is worth it because I plan on keeping these pieces a long time. I don't want them to tarnish. I love them so much. They're so much fun to wear, so much fun to give and share with people. So I figured if I want to keep them a long time, I should figure out a good way to clean them, and I feel like this is the perfect way, because you don't really like, and again, this is super cheap. This stuff is like what, $3 at Target, Walmart. And you don't need that much of it. And then again, you just take it. It's mostly just like a cream. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's just like a cream. There you go. Around, just around and around. You see all that gunk and gross stuff that came off of it? And that was all the tarnish. Now the tarnish is off, which is good, which is what we want. Alright, now I feel it getting a little bit dry, so I'm going to want to dunk it to my water and then take my paper towel and dry it. And I'm gonna set it aside. And honestly, guys, the shine that pulls through after you dry it is just unbelievable. Like, I wish, and the videos are honestly not gonna do any justice, but okay. As you guys can see, I'm already halfway through, and this is the result of the clean set. You see, they're nice, they're shiny, they're very slick. The charms move a little bit more freely. And then this one, these are still the dirty ones, and I can hold them side by side so you guys can see the difference. But I mean, the dirty ones, these are the dirty ones, these are the clean. You can see the difference. Not these ones glisten much more than these ones. I mean, don't get me wrong, like, they're meant to have you know, some character over time, but oh, this is so hard. But I do think that you know, they have a little bit too much character for me, so I'm cleaning them. And I'll update you guys again when I'm done. This is a very tedious process, so I'll be back. Okay, finally done. I had a costume change, but I thought I'd come back and show you guys the finished products. What do you think? Pretty shiny. I typically tend to wear them like this because that way when my arm is down, which they usually are, because you know, when you walk, you have your like arms by your side, you can see them. Why is that out of focus? You can see them easier. I think they're pretty shiny. Alright, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Ooh, goodness sakes. Alright, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me at The Real Yaya Chanel. And I'll talk to you guys later.